Lies Patio da Papaya. Oh, oh, Patio da Papaya. Courtyards and alleys of Macau. So many places, so many names, so many damn cool stuff all around. Oh, 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 Macau.
Damn Macau, you're beautiful, so, so, so damn beautiful.
Not too far from the marketplace, a marketplace with meats and fruit. Lies Patio da Papaya. Oh, oh, Patio da Papaya.
Okay, we're going to film this little courtyard. It's called Papaya. I think it's named after the fruit. And then interesting enough, there's San Lorenzo Market, which is right there. And let me just kind of show you where we're at here. We'll put this up on the map. That looks pretty cool, actually. So our little street Papaya is kind of small. It just goes here and down there. So we're going to try to give you some context as well. There's a lot of interesting stuff around here. So we'll combine it, try to make it into as interesting video as possible. So okay, here's let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where Patio de Papaya is at. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, let's kind of move out a little bit. Okay, so you have this kind of beautiful flower shop right there. And we're gonna walk directly down that way and then down this way. Then we're gonna end up in that way, and then we're probably gonna meander around and then over that way a little bit. Before we do, that overlooks our space. It's kind of interesting. You got like some nice shops right on both corners here, including those flower shops. Okay, so let's go down Papaya. And I think that that's named after the fruit. I think that's the Portuguese spelling of papaya. So right in here, you can park all your bikes. There's even like a little fish shop. We're right next to the market, to the San Lorenzo Market. Here's a little Thai restaurant here, Long Long. Today is actually December 26th, so it's a holiday. So our street's gonna go to the right, but I'm gonna just capture this real quick. These little shrines are kind of cool. There's our patio. And I think that this is actually has a different street name. That's our Target Street right there. And this street, oh, this is still lit here. So there it is right there, Papaya. They're doing something over here. It looks like they're just using it in storage. A lot of people, they'll have kind of like land like that, and they'll just use it for storage or anything they want. And then right in here, this street is kind of a main street that goes north to south, and then the water would be like right over that way, like one block that direction on the other side of these buildings. Okay, so we're gonna go back. So yeah, somebody owns this property right there. We just use it for storage. The land is probably worth a lot. Okay, so we're on Papaya Courtyard. San Lorenzo Market is directly in front of us. And then this street continues down this way. I was kind of thinking I hadn't filmed this one. I put it on my list of streets to film, but I kind of remember that I have filmed in here before. But it's fine. We can see how it's changed over time. A little bit of Okay, so we're going to come to the end of Papaya Courtyard. This kind of makes sure that vehicles can't get in here very easily. Now we're out at the Courtyard at San Lorenzo Market. Okay, so let me just kind of take a look around here a little bit. So that was the busy street that we just kind of looked at a little while ago. This is our courtyard right in there. It just kind of went like that. And I guess it makes the most sense if we go in a circle. So we'll kind of come around this way, and then we'll try to come back. We'll try to capture like the block, because so there's San Lorenzo right there. Let me just go around like this. And we're gonna try to go. Okay, we're gonna have to go like this way. Then that's San Lorenzo right there. Then our block was basically like around this building, so it was like right there and down that way. So we're gonna try to cross, and then we're gonna go this way, come back like this. Got a bakery with sourdough bread there. Then we're gonna come back into this way, and then this will complete our street of Papaya. Some pretty cool apartments. Oh, and then right in here is the market. So I don't think I'm gonna go into it with the camera. Sometimes I don't like it, but you can see they sell all this fresh fish and fresh vegetables, fish, meat, things like that. I think this area is all fish, so you can get fresh fish. And then that's Papaya Street, Papaya Courtyard. Really love these seats. And there's Papaya right there. Okay, so that's so I guess we'll just come over to the base right there. Pátio de Papaya.